This is Sophia's twin sister, Chloe. She goes to preschool in the morning. Sophia is in preschool right now. This is Grandma. She's eating popcorn. She just cannot stop eating. All she does is eat, 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 eat. She's addicted to food. She's addicted to food. That's all she does is eat. I want her to try my sushi, but she didn't want to try it. It was tuna fish and it was so good. Today I'm going to get some more sushi because I really love sushi. And then I'm going to get some Japanese rice at Bush's.
That's not what I'm talking about. How do you feel?
What did you say, Mom? Oh. Why, you want to keep it as a pet? Oh. And I remember this girl named Jennifer. She had a pet squirrel. And a pet raccoon.
Okay. Is it your turn yet? No, I lied. You don't look bad, man. Thanks. At least you look kind of pretty the next day.
Oh, and by the way, Mother, I'm going to put this on YouTube.